In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Worklog in Jira. If you need to track the time you've spent on a task, bug, or user story, Jira makes that process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. Logging work directly inside an issue helps keep project timelines accurate, improves team visibility, and makes reporting much easier, especially if your team uses time tracking for planning, billing, or workload management. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, look across the top navigation bar and click on Projects. From there, choose the project where the issue you want to update is located. This takes you into your team's workspace where you can access the board or issue list connected to that project. Next, find the specific issue where you want to add your work log. You can scroll through the board, browse the available cards, or use the search bar if that's faster. When you locate the correct task, click the issue key or title to open its details. Depending on your Jira layout, the issue may open in a side panel or on a full issue page. Once the issue is open, move to the top area of the ticket and look for the log work option. In some Jira setups, it appears as a visible button. In others, it may be inside a menu, such as the Actions or Add menu. Click it once to open the worklog window. Now you'll enter the time you spent on the task. Click into the field labeled Time Spent and type your duration using Jira's standard shorthand format. For example, you can enter 2H for 2 hours, 40 minutes for 45 minutes, or 1D for 1 working day. Using the correct format is important so Jira can calculate the logged time properly. After that, review the date started field. This is where you confirm when the work actually began. If needed, use the calendar or time selector to adjust it. Then move down to the work description box and type a clear summary of what you completed. Keep it specific enough to be useful to teammates, managers, or anyone reviewing the issue later. Before saving, quickly check that all the details are correct, especially the time entry, date, and description. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click Save or Log, depending on the version of Jira you're using. Once you do that, Jira updates the issue with your logged time and includes it in the project's tracking data. That's it. You've successfully added a work log in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.